Want to make this kind of animation using 3D camera in After Effects? Let's dive in. First, make a composition. Then import your images, add them in the composition, and arrange them as per your requirement. Then make all layers 3D. In the Effect Controls panel, change the view to rendered. Now, click on Shape and change the pattern from bricks to glass. Set repetitions to 200. It may take time to preview, so change the resolution to quarter. Click on Physics and set the value of randomness to 0.20 and viscosity to 0.5. Set gravity to 0. Now create a solid layer, change its color to black, and add it to the timeline. Search gradient ramp. Effects panel and apply it to the solid layer. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tutorial you want next.